Welcome, class of kindergarten. So today we're going to continue with working with our standard 1 grade level expectation count to determine the number of objects. I found a really cool website that's going to help you with this standard. So first, you're going to want to open a new tab. You're going to open a new tab by clicking on this right side cross right here. You're going to click on it. And then you're going to look for your search box. Your search box should have a little loop. And it should say search or enter website name. If it has that, you know that's your search box. So you're going to click on it and you're going to type mathgames.com. This is our website we're going to go to. We're then going to click Enter, which is located on the right side of your keyboard. It's then going to take you to a page like this. It says Math Games. You're going to scroll down and go to the Practice Math by Grade section. As you can see, you have all the grade levels here. However, we are a kindergarten class, so we're going to stay with kindergarten, which is this hot pink one that says kindergarten. We're going to click on it and it's loading. This means it's loading. We're going to scroll down and today we're going to be working on K.1, which is this very first one, which says count objects up to 100. As you guys can see, this task matches our standard, which is count to determine the number of objects. That's why we're going to be working on this task, because it's going to help you with your standard, okay? So you're going to click on it and it's going to take you to something like this. So before I start, I want to show you guys some of the options you guys have. You guys have the option of a scratch pad. So when you click on this scratch pad, you guys are able to circle when counting, or you can label it as well. Whatever is easier for you. Or you just can simply put a little dot. You can also underline keywords that tell you that you're supposed to be counting. In this case, I'm underlining the word count. Alright, I can now close it and I'm going to show you the other option, which is the speaker. So when you click on this, it's going to have robots read the question to you. Let me show you what I mean by that.
Count the buses. 9, 10, 7, 11.
So as you guys could hear, it reads the question and it gives you the options you have for answers. Okay, so I'm going to do the first two problems with you. So it says count the buses. I'm going to go to my scratch. I'm going to just do a tally mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 buses. I'm going to exit. I'm going to look for my 9. Make sure to choose the correct answer. Don't get confused. Here's my 9. I'm going to click on it. It's going to give me a correct if it's correct or an incorrect if it's not. As you guys can see, right here, a green box popped up. So this means that each game has 10 questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Green box means correct. Yellow box means incorrect. So in this case, I got a correct answer so far. Right here, this stars means the levels. So you can earn up to 5 stars for each level. The more questions you answer correctly, the more stars you'll unlock. So how does this work? If I answer all of these 10 questions correctly, it's going to jump me to the next level. Okay, so I'm going to do a second question with you. And then I'll leave you guys on your own. So it says, count the dolls. Here, I have a doll. And I'm just going to use my keypad. 1. Exit. Look for my 1. Click on it. Nice work. So I got another check mark because I got it correct. Alright, so the next questions, you're going to want to do it on your own. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to me and I'll be really happy to help you. Alright, good luck guys and thank you.